Hi guys, today in this video you can learn how you can install Tableau Public Desktop Edition on Windows 11. Tableau Public is free version of Tableau Desktop. Open web browser. I am using Microsoft Edge. You can use your favorite browser. Go to Google website. Go to search bar. Download Tableau. Here it is. Let's click on it. Now click on first link, Tableau Public. Now the Tableau official website is open. Click Go to Tableau Public. Click on Create. Click Download Tableau Desktop Public version. This is the registration page. A small registration is required. Just provide your first name, last name, email ID, and which profession you are. Whether you want to use for personal use. You are an educator or what? I am selecting student. Country. Click the Download App button. And now guys, it will redirect you to this page. The download does not start automatically. You can click on this link. Whatever operating system you are having, based on that, you can click on. So I am having Windows operating system. Click on Windows. Now the downloading is started. It's a 564 megabytes Tableau setup. You will have to wait until the downloading is completed. Now the downloading is completed. Close web browser. Click on File Explorer. Click Downloads. Here it are Tableau downloaded setup. Let's right click on it. Click Open. Close Downloads. Welcome to Tableau. Check on I have read and accept the terms of the license agreement. And the second checkbox is for whether you want to send your usage data to Tableau or not. So I don't want. Click on Install. Click Yes. Now the installation in progress. You will have to wait until the installation is finished. Now the installation wizard is automatically closed. This means our installation is completed. Now the Tableau icon appear on desktop. Let's double click on it. Now the Tableau desktop is open. So viewers, in this video tutorial you can learn how you can easily install Tableau desktop on your Windows 11 PC and laptop. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.